At one point, teeth were cracking. I started to get concerned. And we're talking about an event of 10 to 12 years ago. Enough is enough. I'm going to get this taken care of. I'm going to do it right. And it was important to me to find a practitioner who really, really knew what they were doing. Let's start with Dr. Horalek. Dr. Horalek will spend as much time with the patient as the patient needs. He does not cut you short. He took an extensive amount of time to explain to me the procedures, everything that surrounded them. In fact, at some point, he drew pictures of what my teeth would look like and what he was going to do. He even gave me choices and explained the alternatives to me.
Fred has complicated problems whereby he's breaking his teeth over time. So he came to us the first time and we helped him with the root canal. And then he had a second tooth that broke. And when he came to us the second time, unfortunately the tooth was not restorable, and we were able to place a dental implant the very same day for Fred. And then he went on to have that tooth restored with his general dentist.
I was very impressed. The education elements of this practice are among the very best you will ever see. It wasn't long before they put me at ease, and that was a very, very good start to our professional relationship. I would recommend this practice without any reservation whatsoever.